Gadamite. In this video, we will talk about transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. There is so many ways to add transition to your video, but we will talk about the easier one. Okay, let's get into it. So in this sequence, I have these two clips, but as you see here, there is some cut that applied here. But if this not be cut, you will see this kind of triangle that indicate this is the last part of the clip and this is the beginning of the clip. If I ripple delete this will look like this. Okay, there is some triangle thingy here, and in some cases this triangle thingy will cause some problem in your transition. I will show you how to fix that problem. Easy. Go to your video effects and choose your transition from the video transition or audio transition. Choose one. In this case, I will show you how to use the video transition. Okay, let's say I want to use this dissolve, cross dissolve transition. I will add this to this part and boom, you will see this error, insufficient media. This transition will contain repeated frame, but how to fix it? Easy. Just delete the transition. I will cut the last part of the clip and make the triangle thingy disappear and the first part of this clip and make the triangle thingy disappear. And I will add the transition again and bada bing, bada boom. Easy, no error. In some case, this will work and in some case, this won't work, but you'll find a way, of course. If you want to add more transition, you will find in this folder. Okay, this is the default transition of the Premiere Pro. You will find more interesting transition in like immersive video, because immersive video is for immersive video like VR, but you will use it in your 2D video. Let me show it to you. Mobius zoom. Okay, for example, boom. Okay. So of course, this transition not just for only videos, but for graphics too. Okay, let's say I want to make some graphics like text graphic, text. For this example, I want to make it like popping, like Mobius zoom pop here and decrease the duration. Boom. Okay. Of course, this transition will use your anchor point, so I will make the text more center, align center, and align vertical and horizontal. Okay, so this text will pop like boom. If this text position is not in center, it will look like this. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. Interesting, right? So the second way to add transition to your videos is by using plugins. This plugin is Premiere Composer, as you see here. It's by Mr. Horse. Plugin is just like a collection of Adobe Premiere Pro presets that you could apply to your video. You could make your own, but to save your time, just download it, okay? Because you know it's free, and the free version of it is enough for me. Okay, but if you want to pay for the premium version and get your more transition and more elements in your software, just buy it. Okay, it will make your days easier. Easier. If I want to apply transition for this clip, I just go to this transition folder and see there is preview for every transition that this plugin have, and I will show you the most favorite transition that YouTuber use. Okay, zoom in, transition, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, your transition is ready. Okay, very smooth zoom transition. But if you want to add like the sound of the zoom, just check this part, add sound, and add this to your clip, adjust it. Okay, and boom, easy. So there you go. There is the easier way to add transition to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys have any question, drop your comment below and see you in the next one.